Hey guys, long time since we've talked. I'm going to get you going on something hopefully a little fun, something that you can do a little experiment. We're going to learn a little bit about some more of the statistics stuff that we kind of left off when we left each other. The first thing you need to do is I'm going to post this, so if you can print it, great. If you can't, no big deal. You can just kind of follow along and see how I do things. I'm going to post a really short video today, and then tomorrow I'm going to post a second video kind of explaining a lot of these notes and stuff. But the first thing you need to do is, as you can hopefully see here, is to find 10 pennies. So what I've done is found a little cup, and I got 10 pennies in here, and I'm going to do 50 trials. And I'm just going to record the number of heads that I get here. So, you know, shake, 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 pour it all out. Okay, let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so I just write a 6 here. Okay, now I'm going to take them all up. And you can really, if you can't find a little cup to put them in your hand, whatever. Mix it all up, do it again, and I'm just going to count my number of heads. Let's see, 1, 2. And I want you to continue that for 50 times. Okay? And when you are done, and so I'm just going to shake them up, do it one more time here. Okay, see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, I'm going to actually do this myself as well. And after that, I want you to find the mean and the standard deviation. And if you have forgotten how to do that, well, actually, right here, first of all, maybe do a dot plot. That's going to be pretty easy, right? I've already got a 6, so I'm going to put a dot there. I've already got a 2, and I've already got a 4. Okay, it will be very, very unlikely that you get a 10 or a 0. And if you do, it's maybe one of each, and that's it. Like, it's not going to happen very often. With that being said, after you're done, to find the mean and standard deviation, we're in a new world. You guys are going to have to do this eventually. This is my phone. Okay, let's zoom it in just a little bit here. Okay, and I typed in free graphing calculator, and I didn't like that. So I typed in free TI-84, okay, calculator, and I just typed on that, and this first one that came up is the one that I got. It's a graphing calculator X84. I went and got it, and it's the best one that works. I tried 2 or 3 other ones, and some of them are freezing. I have already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it, and what you'll see is it'll look a lot like, just press OK, a lot like our graphing calculators, okay? And it's very similar in terms of how you enter stuff. So you would go, once you have all 50 trials, okay, you would go to stats, okay, you'd go to edit just like we would do before. So I'm just going to click on that first button for edit. And you can see I already put a few terms in here. I just put, let's see, 14 terms in there, and that was just to make sure that I could do it, okay. Once you get done with that, you can't just press stats because it wants to like add it here. So you have to quit. So if you see right above mode, it says quit, second, quit, and then I go back to stats. And if you remember what we were doing before, whoops, what did I go to? I went to the wrong thing. Stats, okay? And I want to go to calc for calculate, and I didn't want to do the one variable stats, so I click on that first one, one var stats. And to get L1, if you remember, you can just go second 1 on our calculator. So I'm going to go second 1, and you can see that L1 showed up there, and then I just press enter. And look, it gave me my average, and it gave me my standard deviation of 1.88. Obviously, those are not very good numbers because I only put in 13 numbers and they were all fake. But that's how I would do it. Obviously, you remember what's what in terms of the mean on the top and the little sideways A thing for the standard deviation. Okay, you can do this another way, but it's a lot harder in terms of standard deviation. You can find the mean by just adding them all up and dividing by 50. A lot easier to do it this way. So once you get done with these, find your mean and standard deviation, and then draw the dot plot here. Let me zoom this back out again. Whoops, wrong way. Okay. Okay, and that's really all I want you to do for tonight. Okay, tomorrow, by about mid-afternoon, I'm going to post more notes here for the rest of this packet. Again, I will post this packet online, but for today, you don't even really need this to be on a piece of paper. Just grab some random piece of paper, log your 50 trials, so write them all down. Doesn't matter if you go this way or that way, right? Or just on a scrap piece of paper, just write your 50 down, okay? Obviously, all of your numbers are going to be between 0 and 10. And then once you have those 50 trials, go enter, find a graphing calculator. If you have one, great, you know how to do this. If you don't, again, you might have to go and find one. Go find one that works. We're going to need to use graphing calculators. So go find something you can use on your phone. It's a lot better than going out and buying a $120 calculator. If we were at school, I wouldn't let this happen because we have calculators. But because we're not, we got to find another way. Go find a graphing calculator that works. That's kind of your first thing to do. And then, like I said, do these 50 trials. Find 10 coins. It doesn't have to be 10 pennies. It just happens to work out best. And do your 50 trials. Find your mean and standard deviation. Do a dot plot. That's it. This whole project, a little bit of fun, should probably take 20 minutes or so tops. Okay. When you're done with that, again, tune in tomorrow, and I will talk about this, and we'll fill in the rest of these notes. Have a good day.